Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Learn with Mr. Boke. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create and design a website from scratch using free resources. So to design a website, the major things to have in mind are your domain name and the web hosting. Now, what is a domain name? A domain name is simply the name of your website. For example, if I said facebook.com or twitter.com, all those names are domain names. They can also be the address of your website and so on. While web hosting, on the other hand, is the place where your website will be stored so that web browsers can locate it whenever they search for it on the internet. So you see, creating a website can be very expensive, as many site builders will charge you a huge amount of money just to give you a domain name and a hosting. But in this video, I want to teach you how to create a website for free without paying a kobo. So if you're new into this channel and after watching this video, make sure you click and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more updates like this one. Alright, now let's get started. Alright guys, so to start, just come to your browser and click pantheon.io. You can see it here. Click on it. So come here and click the first one here. So Pantheon here is a hosting site that will help you to design and create your website for free. It will give you a free hosting and a free domain name. So as a beginner or a new user, just come to this get started and click on it. So once it loads, scroll down here and fill all your information, your name, so the company name. It could also be same as your site name. Now let me use my site name, JMedia. So your working address, that's your email address. So come here and input your email address too. So you come here and create a strong password. Make sure your password contains both characters, uppercases, letters and symbols so that it will be strong and accepted. After creating your password, just come here and select your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I will choose Nigeria. Now come here and click agree to the terms of use and click sign up. Okay, you can see here, thank you for registering. Please log in. So it means that you have been able to create an account with them successfully. So it's time now to log in. So you come here and click login with email. You come here and put your email and the password you just created. So I'll put my email. So on your password, come here and click login. So it brought me to this page here. It means that I have been able to create my account with them. Now it is time to start to create a new site. So you come to this place here, sites, and click on it. Just pay attention and follow all the steps. So you come here, create a free site and click on it. Okay, now there are three different platforms here. We have here WordPress, Drupal, and Custom Upstream. So this platform, we'll use one of them that will help us to design and create our website. So in this tutorial, I'll use WordPress. So I'll click on WordPress. So by clicking on the WordPress means that I'm trying to install WordPress. So I'll come here and put the name of my site. As I said, the name of my site here is J Media. I'll come here and put it here. So you can see choose a region for the site. I'll leave it as the United States. So I'll come down here and click here, continue. It's loading. It will take some time, so just wait. Okay, it said complete, means that WordPress has been deployed successfully. So I'll come here and click visit your Pantheon site dashboard. So it's also loading. Okay, it will bring us to this page here. So I'll come here and click visit development site. So it will bring us to this page here. I'll now come here. You can see choose language. You can choose any language of your choice, but I'll go for English because I understand English. I'll click continue. So the next page here, you come here and fill all the information. So now we are trying to install WordPress. So you come here and fill your site name, create the password and everything. So I'll come here and put my site name, which is J Media. So I'll now come here and put a username, or I can use J Media TV. So I'll come here and put my password. So you come here and put your email. Okay, you can leave the rest of the things here. You can go and preview all your information, and please make sure that you don't forget this password and username, because this henceforth is going to be your login detail to your site since you're doing this using WordPress. After all, come down here and click on install WordPress. Okay, you can see WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So means that WordPress has been installed. So we'll come here and click login to log into our WordPress. So you instead, okay, since I click save, I'll come here and click login. Wow, that's great. You can see welcome to WordPress. So it means that our WordPress has been successfully installed, and now it is time now to start designing our website. So just pay attention to the end. Okay, now what now do we do? So now the next step will come to this appearance and install a theme. So we'll come here and click on appearance. So we install a theme that is called Astra. It is an Astra theme. So you can see here theme. We'll come here and click add new. Click on it. So we will come here and search for, or we can just scroll down and look for Astra. Or we can just come here and type for Astra. Okay, you can see here Astra. So Astra is a theme that we'll be using. So there are different themes. You can choose any theme, but the theme that will be easier for us to use here, we'll use Astra. So come here and click on install to install Astra. So you can see theme has been installed. We'll click on activate. Okay, you can see here thank you for installing Astra. So it means that we have been able to install Astra. So after installing Astra, the next thing we've got to do is that we will install a plugin, and the plugin that we will install will be called Starter Template. So we'll come here again at the plugin here and click on plugins. So we'll come here and click on add new. So as I said, the plugin that we'll be installing here is called Starter Template. So there are different plugins, but you see, this very plugin, Starter Template, was developed by Astra, so it will be easy and compatible for this website designing. So I will advise that you use Starter Template. So you come here and search for Starter Template. Just click Starter while it loads. Okay, you can see here is the plugin. Just come here and click on Install Now. So you can see our plugin has been installed. So we'll click on Activate. So once we click on Activate, it brings us to this explainer video that will show you how to design your template. But you cannot skip it and come here on Build Your Website Now. Click on it. So all here are different editors. It says Select Page Editor. So we have Blog Editor, Elementor, and Beaver Builder. So in this video, we'll come here and click on Elementor. So once we click on Elementor, you can see all here are different templates that you can use to build your website. So I'll just go ahead and choose one. Choose a free template. You can see these ones are premium, which means that if you choose it, you pay to use it. So go ahead and look for the one that will be good for our website. Since our website is a media website, we'll come here in this category and search for the one that best fits media. Okay, let me just come to this blog and click on this news site. I think this will be better. So you can scroll down and look for a template that will best suit for your website. You can look for a free template. Let me just say, for instance, let's use this one. So I'll come here and click on this template. But before you start, you can take your time and choose the template that will be best for your site. So it's still loading. My network is very bad, so it will take some time to load. Just pay attention and watch to the end so that you know how to create your own website without paying shishi. Okay, you can see here it has loaded. You can scroll down to preview the template and see how it is. So you can edit all these ones later. If you're okay with everything here, you come here and click skip and continue. But if you're not okay, maybe you want to change or upload file here, you can click here and upload file or maybe logo. But if you're okay, you come here and click skip and continue. So all here too are different colors that you can change the colors so that the color of this template will change. For instance, I want to use black. I will just click on black. Go see all these ones will change. Or maybe I want to use pink. Just click on pink. You can see this subscribe button has changed. And if you scroll down, you can see a lot of things have changed to pink. Or I'm going to use this blue. You can click here. You can see that this one too has changed. But if you're okay with the way the pre-designed template is, just come here and click on this continue. The next page here says, okay, just one last step. So they're asking to fill all this information, but it's not necessary. Just skip it and come down here and click submit and build my website. Click on it. So now it's building your website. It might take some time, so just pay attention while it loads. Wow, so it says congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 24 seconds to build. So it means that you now have a brand new website, which means your website has been built. So that's awesome. Congratulations. You can see here is an explainer video. So you can see here, view your website. Click here to view your website. Wow, so here is our website. That means you now have a website. You can scroll down and see the different features here in this website. You can see all these images, all these subscribe buttons and everything. So you can change everything here to look the way you want them to look, and even the title and everything. So it means that you now have a brand new website. So I would say, wow, that's great. Kudos to you for following this video to this stage. You can still scroll down and see your brand new website. It was created free of charge. You won't pay a kobo or a shishi. So it was created with a free domain name and a free hosting. Alright, now since you have created the website, now what do? The next thing to do is to start to edit. You start to edit the whole thing to suit your own site. Okay, now how do you edit? To edit, you come to this place that says edit with Elementor, so that you can change the title, the picture and everything to suit the way how you want them to be. You can see here we are now on the editor phase and we are about to edit our website. So now let me say I want to edit this very title to my own site name, which is J Media. So I just come here and click on it here. You can see here I will click on it and add my J Media. You can see, as simple as that, J Media. I have changed it. Now let me say I want to change these other ones too. Maybe I want to add some things about J Media. I'll just come here and type this site is made for broadcasting live news update. So you can just change to how you want it. So you can click here, they said latest episode. You can also click here and change to how you want it. So after that, and you want to save your project or your work, you come here, look at here, update, and click on this update, so that it will update to what you have done. So after here, you can also edit this image, or you can also scroll down and edit this ones here. You can see this podcast. You can click on it here to edit and change everything to how you want them to be. So you can come here and change them. You can also edit this one, or everything you want to edit, just come and change the story to how you want it to be. So you can scroll down. You can change these images too as well. For instance, you can just click on the image here. You can see here, choose image. Click on choose image, so it will take you to say select file. Click on this select file, so it will take you to your laptop. For instance, let me just choose this file here. I'll click on this and it's loading. So when it finishes uploading, I come here and click select. So you can see I've been able to change this file. So you can change. You can also do to here as well. You can change the right up down here. You can come here and click on here edit. You can see edit. You wipe them and start editing to how you want them to be. So just how you want it to look. You can still scroll down to the footer here and edit as many things as you want. You can edit the whole thing here in the website. And also another interesting thing to know is that in this image here, you can add some animation to this image. For instance, you want to add animation to this image here, so just click on the image, come here and click on this advanced. So if you come and click on this advanced here, you can scroll down and you can see here motion effect. Click on this motion effect. So if you click on this motion effect, you can come here and choose maybe fading. Come here and choose fading down, so that you can see fading left. You can see how animated this image now appears to be. So you can change the whole thing to how you want it to be. So after that, when you have done editing, you come here and click update, and the whole changes will be saved. So now if you want to exit this Elementor, you come to this place here and click on it, this menu top left. So you come here and click on exit, and you will now exit the Elementor and come back to your site. So you can see, okay, you can also edit this other area here at the top here. So how do you do it? Maybe you want to change this subscribe to contact or emergency. So in this very area here, you don't edit with Elementor. So to do this, you come to this customize and click on it. So just calm down and explore a lot of things on the site on how to edit and change them. At least in this video, I'm showing you how to do it. So if you're doing for your own self, calm down and take step by steps on how to do the whole thing. You can see this home. You can also click here and edit it. You can see here home. Once you click on it, you can change it to how you want it to be. You can change the width and everything here, or this episode here. You can click on it and change it to. You can just come here and click on it and edit the whole thing on how you want it to look. And even this subscribe here, you can click on it to change it to. You can come here and maybe you want to put emergency. You put here, and after the whole thing, you come here and click publish to save it. So when you are done editing, you come here and click here to exit this editor so that you come back to your page. You can see I've been able to change it, so you can scroll down and change as many things as possible. Just follow the steps. You can see how easy it is. Alright guys, so if you're new into this channel and after watching this video, make sure you click and subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment so that you stay tuned for more future updates like this one. You know, in my channel I teach about tech, how to edit videos and how to make money online. So being part of my family won't be a waste for you, because you're going to learn a lot of things on my channel. Alright, so in this video, I believe at least you had some knowledge on how to design and create a website or your own website for free. So if you find this video interesting, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more future updates. Alright, thank you all for watching my video and see you all in my next video.